using the Windows VM or Linux VM. First, we're going to create a virtual machine. Then we're going to install the web server. Then we're going to host a website. We're going to host a website. For creating the virtual machine and hosting the uh, web server on the Linux machine, first we need to create a resource group in the Azure portal. Now just log into the Azure portal here. Once you log into Azure portal, first we need to create a resource group. In this class, we're going to create a web server using Windows VM and a Linux VM. Okay, on the Azure portal. For this one, first we need to create a resource group.
Can
First,
you hear me, sir?
yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
First, we need to create a resource group. First, we need to create a resource group. Here, I'm just giving the resource group name as a any name. I'm just giving the name as a build RG. Now, create a resource group. Now created. Once the resource group is created, then we're going to create a Linux machine. Then we're going to deploy the website using the web server. For creating the virtual machine, in the search bar, just type virtual machine, or else you just go to the services here, click on services here. Here you can check the virtual machine, or else we have a direct option in there, virtual machine. Click on the virtual machine to create. Bridge Mohsini joined. Hello. So now I'm going
No,
to create a
sir.
virtual machine. Okay. Now just give the resource group. Pick the resource group. Which
S-
resource group you want to create a virtual machine? Just to create a.
Sir,
Huh.
when I talk, I hear myself.
Okay, no problem.
I don't know
No,
why.
no problem. Okay. I just select a resource group here. I'm just giving the name as Linux virtual machine name. You can give any name. I'm just giving the name as a Linux web server. Region is US East 2. In the availability zone options, there are multiple options are there. No infrastructure redundancy, availability zone, virtual machine scale set, and available set. So this time we don't need any redundancy. If you want any redundancy to replicate this virtual machine into the multiple availability zone, you can select availability zone or virtual machine scale set. So I just select the no infrastructure redundancy. And three options are there. In this one I selected standard. Then I selected Ubuntu Server 24. Then instead of SSH public key, I just use the username. So I just set the username as a Azure user, Azure user, and password. Here is the password is there. This is the password. You can set any password, at least 12 letters, and complex password. Then, when you want to deploy a web server by using Azure Virtual Machine, any virtual machine, we need to allow the in the security group. We need to allow the ports for web server HTTP and HTTPS. Now enable the HTTP and HTTPS. Enable the HTTP and HTTPS. Okay. Then click on the review and create. Click on the review and create. It will create a virtual machine in which port number 80 and 443 enable. It will create a virtual machine. Once the virtual machine is created, we're going to install the web server and host the website. Host the website. So what is my web server? Web server is nothing but it is a combination of hardware and software. Whenever the request comes from the client, it accept the which accepts the request from the client, and which type of request come from the client. In case of web server, HTTP request. HTTP or HTTP request come from the client, and the request HTTPS will accept by the web server, and it displays the website or web application. Okay, web server is nothing but which runs your website, which runs your website. Inside the web server will keep all the website code, will keep the website code. And now just now I created a Ubuntu machine. Just now created a Ubuntu machine. Once the machine is created, now it is created. Then we're going to connect to the machine. Okay, to connect to the machine, we need a git bash. Okay, we need a git bash. Here, how will we connect here? Click on connect. Here, click on connect option. Here, one command is there, SSH command. This command. Just copy this command. Go to the git bash. Same thing like previously. How will you connect for the machine, Linux machine? Okay, okay,
Oh,
no need problem. Okay, here open
no,
git
just
bash.
paste the comment.
Yes,
Associate server. Yeah.
yes, yes. Now just connect here.
Yeah. Yes.
Now enter the password. Enter the password. Now successfully connected to the machine. How will you log into the root? Sudo su. Sudo.
Sudo SU.
Then how will you update? apt update. apt
APTR update. Yeah.
minus 5. So it will update the operating system. It update the all repositories inside the Ubuntu. Once it is updated,
Then
then we're going to install the web server.
web
Okay.
server. Nginx
Yes,
app
exactly. Yes,
install
Nginx or
Nginx
Apache HTTP,
minus
any
y.
web server, any web server.
Okay.
There are multiple
Then
web servers are
we
there. If you are using my Windows, then we'll go for IIS. If you are using Linux, it may be Nginx or Apache server or Tomcat, like multiple things. So now
so
just
after installing we give system serial start Nginx, right?
yes. Here apt
Okay.
install Nginx
Thanks.
minus 5. Okay. Now we're going to start the Nginx. Now check the status of the Nginx by using the command systemctl status.
Status Nginx, yeah.
Now system is running. System is running. Okay. You can check here the system is running. Then go to the which folder? cd slash vr slash ww.
Index HTML.
Okay. Go to this folder.
Yeah.
Then we need to create a file, index file. Okay.
Yeah. We can also do vim index, vi index, right? Dot
Yes. Yes.
html.
Exactly. Exactly. Okay.
Or maybe we can do touch in the index HTML.
Yes.
Then vim, right? Yeah. Multiple ways to do it, I guess. Come to Azure. Mohsin is not feeling well, sir.
Just writing here the H1 tag. We add the website here. Then to save here, press Ctrl C. Press the Ctrl C. Okay.
Yeah.
Now just create a small web page using the H1 tag. Using the cat
Control
space get.
C is save.
Hmm?
Control C is save, right?
Save. Okay.
Okay.
Now just go to the machine here to access web server. Go to the overview. Here, this is public IP address. Just go to the tab here and paste.
Oh,
Now, welcome to Azure Web Server. Okay.
yeah.
So this is to create a web server by using the Azure Linux Ubuntu machine, and we are install the here the which one NGINX web server, NGINX web server. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's it. For removing this one, again go to the home page. Just go to the resource group and delete the entire resource group. It will delete all resources.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then how are we going to create a Windows web server? Same thing. Okay.
Yeah.
First we need to create a Windows virtual machine. Then we need to install the IIS web server. IIS.
Web server.
So after installing the IIS web server, okay. After installing the IIS server, you're going to create a HTML page. You're going to create a HTML page. Okay. Do you created Azure portal? Azure portal you created?
What's that, sir? Say it again.
Do you created Azure portal? Azure account.
Yeah, I had one before.
Okay.
I opened one,
Okay.
but I did not practice Azure, to be honest. I was just following. Maybe
Okay.
I'll do. I was not feeling well,
Okay.
but I'll do. I have the Azure account.
Okay.
I have like 7 AWS accounts.
Why?
I don't know. I forgot password. Then then I
Hmm.
remember the password, but I open another one. They give
No, you don't
700
created. It
hour.
asks for the identification, no? ID. It's in
No,
India.
no,
It it
no.
asks the PAN ID. When you create the
Oh
same PAN
no,
ID, it won't create. It will like suppose I created
no,
account
no.
with my PAN ID, then I want to create another
Oh,
account. It won't accept.
in the USA, you can open like 1,000 AWS account with different email address. I have 7.
Okay.
If you need any, I can open one for you. I'll give it to you. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Here, these are the resource group. You can check here. Still it is deleting. Still it is deleting.
Yeah, it's very slow. I don't like Azure. It's
Very slow.
I like AWS. It's beautiful.
Interface UI is also good. This UI is not good. See the small letters.
Yes. So I think for us, we will just have some knowledge about Azure, how to do basic things, and be an expert on AWS, right?
No problem. I just go through the Azure also in deep.
Okay, okay.
The same thing what we did in AWS also Azure also did. Okay.
Yeah, same thing.
Here again go to create a web server by using the Windows. For creating a web
Windows.
server and Windows, first we need to create a resource group. First we need to create a resource group. For creating resource group, click on create here. Here just click on build an SRG. I just created a resource group. Once you create a resource group,
So,
I think most of
what's
the
your
uh,
what's your internet speed in India? I mean, how many megabytes you have normally?
in my office, like generally minimum speed is 100 Mbps.
Okay, nice. And
50
how much is
$50
in your house?
it will be for 100 Mbps, it will be around around $6 to $7.
Okay, it's unlimited data.
Unlimited,
Data.
unlimited, unlimited.
Okay, okay, okay.
If it is,
Yeah.
if you need 1 Gbps, 1 Gbps, then it will, you need to pay around $30.
I pay $59 per month from Verizon. It's 1 GB,
Yes, same
but
here also,
after
same here also.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
But in India it is
yeah.
only $30.
Yeah, cause yeah,
India is
it's
$30
cheaper.
only for 1 Gbps unlimited.
It's very. We don't really need okay 1 GB. I actually need 500 GB because I do practice AWS and stuff like that, and I play games online.
Okay.
So
Verizon is a Google company, na? They will provide internet.
Verizon is Google company. Verizon is a telecommunication company.
Yes,
I
yes.
don't know if it's Google.
It is a subsidiary of Google.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yes, it is a subsidiary company there. What is the name? What is the spell? RYZN?
Yeah, VE, not Ryzen. Ryzen
Uh,
is no Verizon. VE, V
VE.
as in Victor,
Uh,
E as in Echo,
uh.
RIZ
No,
ZON.
Verizon, Verizon.
Right. Oh, you say
Okay,
Verizon? We call Verizon.
okay. It is not a Google company. I
No,
thought
no,
that
it's
it is
not
a
Google.
Ryzen. Okay, Ryzen is their Google company there. Okay, it is
Yeah,
another company.
Ryzen. I
We use
use
this one.
Ryzen laptop for
Okay,
gaming. It's very good for gaming.
okay.
Oh, yeah, we use this one, Verizon. You have Verizon in India too?
No, no, I don't have.
Okay.
India is
It's very
Geo.
Geo. Verizon is 100% fiber optics,
This,
and it has, yes, Verizon, 100% fiber optics.
this one.
Mukesh Ambani.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, he's rich.
Mm. His company.
Super rich.
Mm.
Okay. Oh, in India
Here
you have
also
fiber
everything is
optics
fiber.
also?
In India, everything is
Oh,
replaced
wow.
to fiber. All
Okay,
almost
okay,
all
okay.
100% ISPs are fiber.
Oh, no, we have still have, not all are fiber optics here. But Verizon, it has symmetric speed. Download and upload speed at the same.
Okay.
All right,
Here,
sir.
I just create a resource group. Then I will create a Windows virtual machine. Windows virtual
Okay.
machine.
Virtual machine.
India data is very cheap.
Oh, yeah.
Select a resource
We
group.
have everything is getting very expensive, sir.
Uh,
In New York City, and Trump came. He doesn't like foreigners. He doesn't like immigrants. He only likes white people. You know how is he? He doesn't like Muslim. He only like white people and everything.
I think he's one of the worst president.
The worst, not one of the worst. Nobody is worse than him. He's like those old time dictator, like like Mussolini or Hitler, something like that. He's like them.
But people voted for him.
Yeah, whoever voted for him, they're regretting now.
I think in the previous, I think this Microsoft Tesla, I think his
Elon
Elon
Musk?
Musk is supported. at the previously
Yeah,
when he funded him also.
and yeah, he gave a lot of money, few
Mm.
$100 million, but they fought. They had a fight, and
Now they
they're
are a fight.
not.
Yes, yes,
Yeah, they had a fight. Yeah, Trump is very intelligent person. Very,
actually,
very intelligent.
he's a businessman, na?
Yeah, he's a businessman. Yeah.
So businessman having a like always he will go for like he doesn't have any like empathy or sympathy. He will just
Yes.
whatever do like other presidents have some like other like some limitations, but he don't have like we don't. He'll think always like businessman.
Today I saw. You remember he put some tariffs on India, on tariff on import.
Yes,
Today
yes,
I think he reduced the tariff because India used to buy oil from Russia.
yes,
Now India said they are not going to buy any oil from Russia,
yes,
so they reduced the tariff today. It's today's news. So what will
yes.
happen? He captured Venezuela president Maduro. He
Mm,
arrested him and brought him back. It's all for oil. They're gonna take all the oil in Venezuela. Venezuela is number one in oil.
uh,
They will take all the oils and give it to India. He is something.
once,
Anyway,
once,
sir.
up, once upon a time, Venezuela is one of the richest country.
Yes, 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 yes.
So
Oh, sorry,
generally,
sir.
it is all related to the trade only. Okay, it is all related to trade only. Whenever
Yeah.
one country invades another country for trade only, generally people doesn't know that they have some money for only for all everything.
Yeah.
If one country wants to invade another country, they'll invade for money only. Generally for trade.
Sir, you are so intelligent. You know so many things about DevOps and IT. Why don't you come to the USA on H1B visa or something?
Okay.
You can get a very good job. For real.
Okay.
Are
Here
you
I just
planning to
created
come?
as a selected, yes, thank you. Here I created Windows Server 2025 Data Center Edition. I think in this
Oh, okay.
region I don't find anything. I just found this one 2025 Data Center in few only. For this one, if we as a web server, I just selected HTTP and HTTPS and RDP. Okay, RDP because of we are going to run the web server. When you want to run the web server, we need to select HTTP and HTTPS. Okay, just click on that
Yeah.
and create. So in Trump, their company, they're constructing in Hyderabad like Trump Towers. There is a one tower is around 70 floor and another tower is like 70 some Trump Towers. Twin Tower they are constructing in India, in Hyderabad. This Trump.
Oh.
Trump is a big real estate company. No?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
He's a rich man.
He's a billionaire, sir.
Uh,
He has
he's,
casino, he has, skyscrapers, he
uh,
has golf course. He's rich. His father was rich.
uh, but I like Obama.
Yeah, me
Obama
too.
is very good.
Yeah, Obama is the very good guy.
Mm.
I don't like Biden. He is kind of stupid,
Obama is
but
from down to earth. Like he will mingles with everyone.
yes, 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 yes. Everyone
Clinton I
likes
also
him.
remember. Clinton is good, but somehow what I like person like Obama.
Yeah, yeah. Most of the people like Obama. And only white people, some white people, they like Trump.
And Bush is the senior Bush and junior Bush. When I am a child, when I am child, senior Bush is there. When I am kid, senior Bush.
Okay,
Then after that,
okay.
his son also became a president of America, Junior Bush.
Yeah. So you remember everything, huh?
I just follow. Just follow.
Me too. I like news.
When I am a
So
small
you
kid,
deploy.
when I'm a small kid, The Bush is they senior Bush that is like someone has attacked on the country, like when having Iraq is attacked on the Kuwait, then he supported
Oh,
the Kuwait.
Gulf War.
So actually Iraq is attacked on the Kuwait, and I think when having
Iraq
killed,
attacked Kuwait. Yeah,
then this America was supported Kuwait.
Kuwait. Yeah, 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 yeah.
It is very
Yeah.
old thing.
Yes.
Then over the period of that, again Junior Bush attacked the Saddam Hussein, and it just hanged him also.
Okay. Yeah, they killed him.
Now created a Windows virtual machine. Once the virtual machine is created, to connect here, click on connect. Here, click on. You can check here two options. One is the connect option. Second is the bastion option. I'll just explain in future what is the bastion. Okay. Right now, just select the option is connect. Select the option is connect. Same thing like in AWS and Google thing. Everything is same. All clouds are same. First, we need to download the RDP file here. Here,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
okay,
RTP file.
RDP file. Once you downloaded RDP file, try to connect. Try to.
Connect.
So default username is Azure user. So this is the password. Now connected to Windows Virtual Machine. Connected to Windows Virtual Machine. This is the Windows Server 2025 Azure Edition. So in Azure Edition have a multiple cloud options are there. Okay.
Yeah. Mm.
I don't know it will load. Previously I have same thing happened to me. We'll wait 1 minute.
Okay.
This
Think this
RAM is not allowed.
RAM is.
Uh,
Wow, this is very slow.
because of RAM.
Your PC RAM? How much is your RAM, sir?
Not PC RAM, not PC RAM. This one
Oh,
Azure
okay, okay,
machine.
okay, okay.
Virtual
Virtual
machine.
RAM, yeah. Okay, okay. Sorry, I thought PC RAM. Oh, I'm sorry.
I don't think it will work. I'll leave it this one. The
Okay.
RAM it is not enough. Okay, we're going to resource clear. Delete the resource group. We're going to create another machine. Okay, it
Okay.
won't work because of the we
So,
had selected Windows Server 2025 latest edition. The RAM is only having 1 GB RAM is there. Yeah, we can
oh,
shift to other. We can change to other machine type of the machine also. I'll just tell you in the next class that how to change from one machine to other machine. Suppose you have a
okay.
B1S machine is there, you can shift to the B2MS like D2 other RAM, other processor also we can change. Okay. Anyway, I'll
Okay,
just
sir.
delete this resource group. I'm going to create a smaller one like Windows Server 2019. Windows Server 2019. In this region, I didn't find any server 2019. Again, I create a resource group, gain to another virtual machine. Just change the region here.
In the region here. Mm.
It loads very slowly
Load very slowly.
on it. Then go to the home here. I'm going to create a virtual machine again. Click on virtual machine.
Yeah.
Click on create here. Click on virtual machine. Select a resource group. Then I just give the name as
Name.
Windows Web
The
Server.
server. Sir, how much you are paying for the Azure? It says paid subscription.
It's paid subscription.
How much you are paying?
Sometimes very less. Generally, I just get a bill around hardly $1 to $2. Okay.
Per month?
Yes. When you create
Oh,
Kubernetes, it will get huge bill.
oh, okay.
If you use Kubernetes is high paid service. Remaining
Okay.
services are very less. Remaining services you don't
Sir,
need to pay much.
I practice on one site. It's called Network Nuts. Sorry, not Code Cloud. CodeCloud.com.
Okay.
And they have all these labs with the
I know
lesson.
that. I know that. I know. I
And
always,
I've
I also same thing. I do same thing.
Code Cloud.
Yes.
Oh, Mohsin also. I told Mohsin to get Code Cloud.
You know Kubernetes?
Sir, I know a little bit. I studied, but I forgot
Okay.
ingress and all these things. I
Okay.
learned almost everything in DevOps by myself, like Git Bash, Kubernetes, Jenkins,
Mm.
Prometheus, Grafana.
Okay.
But I forgot everything. When I look at them, I feel like I never saw them before. Why? I don't know. When I look at them, I feel like I never saw them before. I'm studying these things for last 6 months.
Okay.
So maybe when I finish the course with you, I'll do some projects,
Okay.
and maybe around June I'll apply for job.
Okay. Okay. Still, you are
I think
doing the business right now. Huh?
yeah, what?
You are doing business right now. Huh?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I think better to do business rather than working. You can get more money in business.
Not necessarily, sir. And in business, sir, I've been doing online business for Amazon FBA for a long time,
Okay.
and this is such a thing, sir. You will be always thinking about it, 24/7. Who is
Mm.
buying? Who is not buying? Who is returning? How much money I'm making? This and that.
Okay.
So it's not peaceful at all.
Okay.
Right now, I'm attending class at the same time I'm look at my other laptop. If
Okay.
stock is going down,
Okay.
it's crazy. I want some peace.
Okay.
DevOps make a lot of money
Yes.
in the USA. I think they start with 120, $130,000.
Okay. Okay.
And the DevOps in the US,
Mm.
most of the DevOps are not even from IT background.
Okay.
They learn like this, 3 months,
Okay.
5 months, and they
Okay.
don't know almost anything.
Okay.
They become DevOps.
Same here also. So most of the people.
Yeah,
Do India also same. India also same. Like
yeah.
they have some back doors. They will pay money and they will get the job. Okay.
Oh no, no, we don't have it here.
In USA it
Maybe
will come
we
back.
no, no, we have backdoor, but very rarely. Let's say, Elon Musk is my uncle, then easily I can get into
No, no.
his. It
Backdoor
it
is
it
like
happens everywhere
backdoors
by
like
paying money.
HR. My friend is HR. My
Oh,
friend is like a project manager. He'll just give the references.
okay.
In India also so many jobs are
No,
there. DevOps is one of the most good prospect. I think in upcoming five
yes.
years having very good jobs. Maybe I don't know that after 5 years it may be everything will be
You
changing.
know, you know, sir, how it happens in the USA?
Okay.
There are small companies like yours company,
Uh,
Brilliant.
okay.
There's some coaching center. They teach DevOps, they teach QA and everything for 3 months, 4 months. You pay them money. They make a resume, and
Okay.
they have connections with many companies, right?
Okay.
So they will give you those references. They work for Wipro. You work for this. You work for this.
Okay.
And on the contact detail, they gave their number. You know.
Okay.
So when they call, they say, "Yeah, he worked here. He's good. This and that." Everything is lie. Everything is lie. That's all.
Generally how they reach you? These brilliant people.
क्या हुआ सर समझा नहीं
These brilliant people, how they reach you? Like other people, Mohsin,
oh
how they reach you?
no
They have something. They'll
I
add like
no
how you trust that brilliant
uh
that.
okay, so here's the thing. I was looking for a place for a boot camp.
Okay. Okay.
So we started doing boot camp in one center in the
Okay.
USA,
Okay.
and Mohsin was with me.
Okay.
But Mohsin didn't like the teacher, so
Okay.
he left, you know.
Okay.
But I stayed. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
I was like, okay, I paid so much money,
Okay.
so I'll just stay, you know.
Okay.
If even if I learn or not, if I just listen, I'll have some idea.
Okay.
Then I started doing course on Network Nuts. There's another Indian company.
Okay.
So in Network Nuts, I finished the Linux
Okay.
administration, and I finished AWS.
Um.
Then I left the thing
Okay.
Network Nuts because
Okay.
I feel like the way they are teaching, it's
Okay.
very much theory, you know.
Uh,
They'll just open the AWS, not like you. You explain a lot of things, okay?
okay.
They're just, not explaining anything. They're just showing. So I left after AWS. So
Okay.
when I left AWS, I saw the Brilliance ad on my Facebook, maybe.
Okay.
So I texted them.
Okay.
Then I said, if I bring my friend, will you give me a discount? They said yes. So
Okay.
I bought Mosin,
I
and
think
we are,
Mohsin having very good knowledge. I think he knows everything. And whenever he asks a
yeah, yeah,
question,
yeah.
he's having whenever he asks a question, he asks like a pro, not like a layman.
Yeah, yeah, he knows. He worked for IT.
Okay, that is. I think
He,
he whenever the question is like a shrewd question and it will straight and it have like whenever I ask it's like a pro, not like a normal man like it doesn't know anything. Okay.
no, 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 he knows. He has very good knowledge. We do study together.
Okay.
He did IT before. He
Okay.
worked for IT. He was a QA engineer, maybe.
Okay.
And he did study IT a lot. I
Uh,
mean, I don't have a experience in IT, but he has.
okay.
So definitely he has more knowledge than I do. He works like he was like a pro. You said.
Mm. He know everything, how it is happening.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. He knows.
So what happened this one? Same thing here. Okay. Just not
Same
loaded.
thing.
It's
But
loaded.
I understand, sir, how you made it. Maybe.
The previous class also had the faced the same problem. For Windows machine, I don't know what happened. Again get struck. Hanged this one again also. Okay. Mm, I think it's crashed.
Yeah, it is.
Getting
Wow.
errors.
It's okay, sir. I understand what you did.
Then I go to the again go to the add roles. We need again go to server manager. We need to add the roles. Then go to the web
Okay.
server. We need to add the web server like we did in the AWS.
So when Mohsin comes tomorrow, you can
Okay.
just show one, so
I'll just
it
show you, no problem.
works.
Just no. I'll show you again
Yeah.
one more time. I'll show you, no problem. I don't think it worked. It is crashed.
Yeah. It's
Crashed. Okay, tomorrow I'll see you. Huh?
okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay, tomorrow I'll see you.
Enjoy your
Thanks.
day, sir.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.